So we just finished up a staining project, and what we're gonna do right away while it dries is we're gonna safely dispose of our oil rags. We use an oil-based stain, and what many people may not know is if you just bunch them up and throw them in a trash can like people often do, it's a severe fire risk. The high flash point of the vapors create a really bad fire risk, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that you air dry them in a way that they won't bunch up and overlap each other. We've been doing that with these couple rags already. And then we've got an empty can here. You can get this at Menards, or you can just use an old paint can. We'll just put them in there. We're gonna add a little water for good measure. And then we'll seal it up. And you can dispose of this can based on your local codes. So thanks for watching, and now you know how to safely dispose of your oil rags. For more helpful tips or tricks, check out Menards.com or any of our social media platforms.